Hello and welcome to this module. In this module, we are going to talk about don't wait around the I/O with concurrent programming. So let's get straight into it. So in this module, we are going to talk about simple concurrent programming with gevent, I/O loop driven concurrency with Tornado, native Python concurrency with async I/O. So here we'll talk about simple concurrent programming with gevent. The core idea of concurrency is that a larger task can be broken down into collection of subtasks, which are scheduled to run simultaneously or asynchronously instead of one at a time or synchronously. Python provides a variety of methods to handle asynchronous programming. One of them is gevent, which provides concurrency in Python by multiprocessing instead of threads. Gevent creates greenlets, which can work independently. Greenlets wrap up an event loop, allow an asynchronous code execution. Gevent provides clean API for a variety of concurrency and network-related tasks. A switch between two tasks is known as context switch. So let's see the real-time example, how it actually works. So here is how gevent actually perform our task. First of all, I have to import gevent, which is a package. Here we have defined three contexts or subtasks named as function 1, function 2 and function 3. A context switch is gevent is done through yielding. In this example, we have three contexts which yield to each other through invoking gevent.sleep0. The important parts of the program are the gevent.spawn, which wraps up the given function into a greenlet thread. The list of initialized greenlets are stored in the array, which is passed to the gevent join_all function, which blocks the current program to run all the given greenlets. The execution will step forward only when all the greenlets terminate. As output, we will visualize the control flow of the program or walk through it with a debugger to see the context switches as they occur. Similarly, we can perform such tasks in I/O or input-output stream to take inputs of all functions first and then printing their output. Here we are taking inputs firstly from two functions, namely square and cube, where we will enter a number to compute the square and cube respectively. And after that, output will be displayed. So this is how gevent actually works in Python. Hope this makes sense.